Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to migrate from cPanel email to Grigora Mail. First, log in to your cPanel email account. Once logged in, you will see a Select option. Select the emails you want to export. After selecting the emails, click on the three dots icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Download and choose the Mbox format. This will download a zip file. Extract it to access the Mbox file. Now, go to your Grigora dashboard and click on Mails. Click on Create New Address. Select your domain and enter your desired email prefix. Create a password and click Continue. You will see DNS records to add to your domain manager. Add and verify them. If already done, click Skip for now. Next, you can enable Forward a copy to another mail if you want incoming emails forwarded elsewhere. Click Continue. Enter your name for the email account. You can also choose whether to include a website link in your signature. Click Finish Setup. Click on Open Inbox and sign into your Grigora Mail account. Once logged in, click on Settings located in the top right corner of the top bar. Scroll down and click on Import Data. Click on Upload File and select the Mbox file you just downloaded from cPanel. Click Next. You will see two options: Merge with existing folders or Import to new folder. Select the option that suits your preference and click Start Import. Wait for the import process to complete. Once finished, you will see an Import Successful message. Click Done. That's it! You have successfully migrated your emails from cPanel to Grigora Mail. See you in the next tutorial.